Imagine if at your housing association, you could spot tenant frustration before it escalates. What if feedback wasn't buried in inboxes or paper feedback forms, but delivered live to the people who can act on it? When managing a large portfolio of houses, tenant sentiment often goes unseen until complaints are formal. Disconnected systems and slow responses make trust hard to build and even harder to keep. Fusion changes the game. It gives everyone access to the data they need through a Fusion portal. Simple to use, secure, and surfacing all the right Qlik dashboards, themed to reflect the organisation's brand and identity. It's up and running in days, and with live charts and automated alerts, feedback is prioritised by severity, so teams can focus on what matters most. In the next phase, residents will also get access to seeing the Qlik KPIs that are relevant to them in a format they can understand and trust. The results: faster resolution, better insight for the property team, and happier residents who felt heard. Fusion drove measurable performance gains across the board and helped build relationships based on trust. Want to see how your housing association clients could use Fusion to stay ahead of tenant needs? Scan the QR code and explore what better engagement really looks like. See Fusion Portal in action and discover how easy it is to unlock the full potential of your Qlik Cloud analytics today.